What you're going to want to do is just use your mobile phone internet browser, guys. So I recommend doing this. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well, but just do this on your mobile. And you've got to head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So make sure you type it exactly like this and make sure you head on over to this correct site. Now, they have hundreds of pages. As you can see, I'm just scrolling through here. And you can get pretty much anything you can imagine. So go to the search bar and search for the Tomodachi Life Living the Dream free game code page. As you can see, you can get this on Nintendo Switch and PC. So you redeem this code in the eShop or in the Steam store, guys, and it is going to download a free copy of Tomodachi Life. And this game is, like I said, about $60 US, so it is well worth doing, trust me. So you need to unlock your digital game code. This is because these are limited codes, guys. So as you can imagine, this stops someone coming on and just stealing hundreds of copies of the game and selling them on eBay or something. This basically prevents that. So what you're going to want to do is click on Get Full Code. And you just got to follow the instructions, guys, on this page. It tells you exactly what you need to do to get your game code. Long story short, I'm going to skip through this. Like I said, I did this earlier. You need to complete 2 of the free offers below. These offers sponsor Crash Coupons. That's how they can give us these Tomodachi Life game codes. But they're all completely free. It will take you about 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure you read the description for each task. That basically tells you exactly what you need to do. They're really easy things like installing, opening mobile apps and answering surveys, playing games, stuff like that. Fully complete 2 of them and it will send you back to Crash Coupons and your game code will be revealed. So once you redeem this in the eShop or the Steam store, it is going to get you Tomodachi Life Living the Dream for free. And like I said, that works on PC and Nintendo Switch. So go to Crash Coupons, guys.